Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing the NuCanoe UMAX completion decking kit on my brand new NuCanoe Unlimited Max. The kayak is the Army camo color, so I'm going to be using the camel with black for the color of the decking. Here goes nothing. When you get your completion kit, you're going to want to get it all laid out flat, make sure none of the edges are curled. You're also going to want to wipe down the decking of the kayak where the pieces are going to go with some alcohol to make sure it's nice and clean and it adheres really nicely. Lay all your pieces out, put them in place, and then start peeling the backing and laying them individually as you go along. Make sure that you get even pressure all along on every single piece, especially on the edges. It's going to be critical that they get stuck down really well. And if you can manage to do it in a reasonably warm environment, better off, because it's not going to stick as well in the colder temperatures. I've got the shop heated up here just enough that it's going to bond fairly well. Take your time and just make sure you're not sticking anything down where it doesn't want to go, because believe me, you're not going to want to peel this stuff off and start over. And so this section up in here, underneath where the gear pod's going to go, is all new. About half of the stuff on the inside gunnel rail is part of this kit. And the entire back, what you would normally consider like a tank well, back here is done. And then inside the rear pod, so that if you have a battery or batteries in there, they don't skid around so much and a little quieter in the back. So that's squared away.